We've been planning 5 long months for this day, and we are excited to have students back. Our first year students are arriving today. We know this isn't the ideal way to start college, but everybody is excited to be here, and we are certainly thrilled to have them back. We know that they chose Furman to be home for them, and we want it to be a safe and healthy place for them.
I think honestly, I'm just excited to meet the residents. I've been looking forward to it, decorating the hall, and we've just been preparing to have these interactions in person again, and that's what I'm super excited for.
Parents are really very excited. We've had a lot of interaction with them over the last month or two about their questions, about their concerns, and by the time they've gotten here, they're really excited for their students to start their college experience at Furman.
I'm looking forward to seeing how the community builds on itself. A lot of being a resident assistant is focusing on combining and working with the residents so they get to know each other and everyone feels safe and comfortable on campus. But I feel like we're in a moment where everyone kind of needs each other, and I'm looking forward to creating that bond.
You know, there's still a real joy from our students who are here. You know, between our resident assistants, our orientation leaders, the student athletes who are already here. You know, we had about 320 students who were already here before today. And they're all walking around, they're greeting people, they're spirited, they're excited to be here. And that's something that feels just like what Move-In Day should be.